One of the biggest things when you're hiking is snacks on the trail, and we use lots of protein bars, but they're not the healthiest of things. So I've been getting into making my own. I'll show you what they look like. There's some nut butter. You can use anything you like. And we'll put the recipe in the comments, but you mix all the wet ingredients first. And then some oats. I've just used the quick oats, but you could use the full ones. 2 scoops of chocolate powder, protein powder. You can use any flavour. So we're making chocolate ones, but you could easily make a gingerbread version of this, or a vanilla version. It's up to you. Bit of sweetener. That's about a tablespoon. I knew that was empty. Some baking powder. Pinch of salt. And then give that a good mix. And then just add some milk. I'm using soy milk. I'll often use almond. Whatever you want. You just kind of want a bit of a soft dough. So just add the milk bit by bit, because you don't want it too wet. Okay, so once the dough starts coming together, that is perfect. And then just add some soy crisps. They add a bit of protein as well. The good thing about this is it's gonna feel really filling. And they give a nice crunch, and so do some pecans or pecans. Oops. And then you just want to kind of put the dough together gently without snapping all those little crisps. All right, and once you get it to a dough, you just want to make it into 6 cookies. I'm not always good at getting the proportions right. So there's about 200 calories per cookie and 12 or 13 grams, depending on what sort of, whether you put the soy crisps in. So about the same as a commercial protein bar, but without all the nasties. Last bit of love to that little one in the middle. Turn it over so no one notices. And then you just pop them in an oven, 180 degrees. I want them to firm up nicely, so about 18 minutes, and let them cool. Pack them in a bag and off you go. Yeah. Perfect. Firm but not too dry. If you wanted to, you can cook them a bit longer and dry them out a bit more, but they're good to go. Oh, we've just climbed a mountain, and there's no better way to celebrate than hoeing into my cookie. It's looking great. I had one yesterday and it was really yum, and then we'll head off on this trail. But if you want more tips on what food to pack for your next hike, then give us a like, and if you've got any questions, pop them below. You're not filming me eating this. Come on, let's go.